How to fix 0x80005000 unknown error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and this error pertains to Active Directory error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this unknown error in Windows 11 and 10, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command ipconfig/flush DNS. It will clear your DNS caches and help in fixing the issues unknown error. Press enter and successfully flush the DNS caches and check your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button, choose run command box, and in run command box execute the command msconfig and press OK. From the top menu bar, choose the option boot and go to the boot option. Select Safe Boot and select Active Directory Repair and press Apply and then OK button to Active Directory Repair. It will wait for some times. And the next fixes is again go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute the command gp update force. It will update your Active Directory in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Updating policy, wait for some times, and once finishes the updating policy, restart your Windows 11 10 system and